Hi everyone. Now let us discuss the program related to creation of a login form validation using JavaScript. For this we need to create two files. One is login.html file, that is this, and another one is login.js file with the extension of the file JavaScript. So first let us look into the JavaScript file. Here a variable is taken with attempt. If any extra spaces are there, you need to check once. Attempt is the variable that is being declared with 3. So we'll be counting the variable for number of attempts. All the comment lines are given in order to make you understand. So below function will execute soon after login button has been clicked. That is the function validate. Here I have taken two names. One is username and another one is password. In order to identify username and password, we have taken the object document and method name is get element by id, and the value that is being given here is username dot value. Similarly for password also, we are specifying our id and password, like for example username must be equal to sdmsmk and password must be equal to 123456. Whenever user enters the username and the password in this way, then an alert box will display like login successful. Otherwise it will return false value. Else it means if it is not given. Suppose if I am giving username as sdm and password is the same, and similarly I am entering username sdm smk and I am missing some content related to the password, then what should I do? Then we need to write the program related to it in else block. So decrement the counter value by 1, because we have taken the counter variable as attempt. We are decrementing the counter value. And alert box will display that you have number of attempts left, like displaying fields after 3 attempts. So if attempt is double equal to 0, it means attempt is not been done. Then what should be displayed? So it will be displaying that username is disabled and password is disabled and also submit button is disabled. It returns false value because all are disabled. So this is with login.jsp file. I have saved this file with login.js, and this is the file related to HTML. Here you can check all the tags that you already know. That's the reason I'm skipping. And div tag is used to divide the web page, like class name, container, and another class is taken with main. H2 represents JavaScript login form validation. Form ID is being taken and all the attributes you can identify in form tag. Form ID method is post name equal to my form. What is the label name that I have given under the label tag? Username. You can give username in this way as a single word also. You can save this file. Input should be given for username and password label is being given. You can specify in this way so that the program looks better. Label password. So it will be just displayed, and input type is password. And for button, however you know this. So form tag is closed, then span tag. Span tag will take b tag class equal to note. Note represents, for this demo we have taken username and password related to it. So whenever we are following it, we can take this type of explanation related to class validation. So B class will be taken as valid, username and password is taken. We are ending the span tag, div tag, body tag and HTML tag. Now let us go to the execution of this program fastly. We need to execute only login.html file, not JS file. The screen looks in this way. You can allow blocked content. Here what should be given? If I give some value like SDM or